Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn one question related with our phrasal verbs. Okay, look here. Some phrasal verbs are made up of verb plus in on. In on, that is prepositions. Okay, etc. And a prepositions. In and on indicate the prepositions. Means verb plus prepositions. Verb plus prepositions. That is called phrasal verbs. Okay, they are all transitive. Okay, because they all take an object. Okay, they are transitive. Transitive means they have an object. They have an object. Okay, so that they all take an object, so that they are transitive. Okay, which one? The phrasal verbs are transitive, which comes with prepositions. Here is a list of verbs. It is a list of verbs that are formed in the way. Okay, learn them and their meanings. Okay, here are verb and here are their meaning. Are you getting that? These are the two columns. Okay, you have to study this. The first one, look here, the first one verb, to look forward to. To look forward to, that is the verb, phrasal verb. It is not only verb, it is a phrasal verb. To look, it is verb and forward to. Okay, remember this, verb plus prepositions. Okay, and that meaning, to wait or hope. To wait, that's meaning, that verbs meaning, that phrasal verbs meaning, to wait or hope for with pleasure. Hope for with pleasure. Now the second verb is here. Okay, first one and second one. To be fed up with something. To be fed up with something, and its meaning, to be bored with something. Okay, it is the meaning of second verb. Now the third one is here, to get on with someone. Okay, it is the third one, to get on with someone. Look here, the preposition is on. Verb plus preposition here, of. Okay, verb plus preposition, that is phrasal verbs. To get on with someone and its meaning. Okay, that this column related with meaning. Remember this. This is the meaning of that verb, phrasal verbs. The third one is here. Okay, that means be on friendly terms with someone. Okay, its meaning, be on friendly. Friendly, you know, that means you behave like a friend. Okay, be on friendly terms with someone. Okay, that is the meaning of third verb, phrasal verb, to get on with someone. Okay, a group of words with terms. Okay, which play a role of phrasal verbs, and that is the meaning of be on friendly terms with someone. Now the fourth one is verb here, to get on with something. Okay, to get on. Look here, get on with something. Look here, someone and something. It is the little bit difference. Okay, something and someone. Are you getting that? Two words only change, to get on with something, and above one is with someone. Okay, look here, something, to continue doing something. Okay, its meaning is to continue doing something. Okay, now the fifth verb is here. Okay, are you getting that? Look here, to come up with. To come up with means to have an idea. To have an idea, it is the meaning of that verb. To come up with, to have an idea. Now the next one, the sixth one verb is here, to watch out for. To watch out for, that meaning of that phrasal verb is to take care with something. To take care with something. Okay, are you getting that? To take care with something. It is the meaning of sixth verb, to watch out for. Okay, verbs with preposition that gives new meaning. Okay, that gives new meaning. That gives new meaning. That is called phrasal verbs. Okay, verbs with preposition that gives new meaning. Okay, and it is to take care with something. Okay, now the seventh one verb is here, to run out of. Okay, to run out of, and that phrasal verbs meaning a supply of something. Okay, are you getting that? A supply of something. Now the next verb is here, 8 number, to keep away from. To keep away from, its meaning is avoid someone or something. Okay, avoid someone or something. Its meaning of which phrasal verb? To keep away from. Okay, to keep away from. Okay, are you getting that? Now the next one is here. Okay, to go in for. Okay, to go in for, that's meaning enter a competition. Enter a competition. It's meaning of the ninth phrasal verb. Okay, you can easily understand the phrasal verbs and its meaning. You can write in your notebook. Okay, the remaining part of this lesson we will see in next video.